The year is 2007, and a multi-billion-dollar deal was about to be finalized. This deal involved two of the world's biggest companies, Apple and Samsung. But just days before the ink could dry on the contract, everything came to a standstill. What exactly happened? Apple had just filed for a preliminary injunction claiming that Samsung stole their technology to create the very phone Samsung was selling. Hi guys, I'm Jacob and welcome back. In today's video, I will be talking about injunctions. So, what exactly is an injunction? This is a court order that requires a person or entity to stop doing something or to do something. In Apple's case, they wanted Samsung to stop selling certain phones. They claimed that it infringed on their patent. Injunctions can protect your business, property, and reputation in situations where immediate action is needed. Understanding where and how to get an injunction could probably save you from serious legal trouble. There are three main types of injunctions you should know about. Temporary injunction. This type of injunction is short-term and it stops an action until a full hearing can be held. Think of it like hitting the pause button. Preliminary injunction. This type of injunction is often issued during a lawsuit, limiting either side from carrying out any further action until the court reaches a decision. And finally, permanent injunction. Once the court reaches a decision, this type of injunction stops the harmful action for good. So, how do you get an injunction? You can't just walk into a court and demand an injunction. There are specific things the court looks out for. Firstly, you have to prove that there is a serious issue that needs to be addressed. And then you have to show that if the court doesn't act, there will be irreparable damage. Emphasis on irreparable. And lastly, you have to convince the court that issuing said injunction won't unfairly harm the other side. In Apple's case, they argued that allowing Samsung to continue selling these phones would cause them irreparable harm. But then, remember, injunctions are not only for big tech companies, ordinary people use them too. So, if you ever find yourself in a situation where someone's actions or inactions might cause you irreparable harm, you know what to do. Get a lawyer, get an injunction. Let's discuss this in the comments. What are your thoughts on injunctions? And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. I'll see you in the next video.